If you've ever wanted to filter your data without manually configuring every condition, NocoDB advanced filters make that a lot faster. We'll start with AI filters. AI filters help us turn plain language requests into NocoDB filters. For example, if we want to find deals in the negotiation stage with a value greater than 10,000, NocoDB converts that plain language request into structured filters automatically. Stage set to negotiation. Value greater than 10,000. Now, let's add another condition so that the close date is on or after a specific date. You can stack as many conditions as you need. The close date is on or after the date we have set. The next option we'll look at is pin filters. You can pin a specific filter to the toolbar. This way, when there are frequent changes, we can quickly update the view using the pinned filter. Next, let's look at toggle filters. Instead of removing all filters, if we just want to see proposals greater than 10,000 but don't want to be limited by the date, we can temporarily remove that condition without deleting it. We can simply toggle it off. This shows results without that condition, but keeps the filter in place. And when we need it again, we can simply toggle it back on. That's a quick look at AI filters, pin filters, and toggle filters. 3 ways to work with your data more efficiently in NocoDB.